Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can turn off photo tagging on X. So let's get started. Firstly, open X app in your device, then tap on your profile icon. Next, tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap on Privacy and Safety. Next, you can see the option of Audience and Tagging. Tap on it. After that, you can see the option of photo tagging. Tap on it. Next, tap on off. So, this is how you can turn off photo tagging on X. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.